Okay, so first open PowerPoint and create a new slide. The first step is to change the background color. So you go to the background formatting option and choose a color that fits the theme of your presentation. Next, insert a title at the top of the slide. The title will represent the main topic of your slide. Okay, so for this we use hidden figures. Okay, so now let's add some shapes. Go to the insert, choose shapes, and insert 3 rectangular shapes on the slide. So you have to arrange them neatly so they look balanced and organized. So after that, you change the color of the shapes. You can choose different colors to make each shape stand out. This will help the audience easily recognize different sections. I will use white for this. Next, copy and paste one of the shapes. This duplicated shape will later be used for adding images. Then go to Format Shape, choose Picture Fill and insert an image inside the shape. This will make the slide more visually interesting. After you finish with the first shape, repeat the same process for the other shape. You need to add different images to each shape so that every section has its own visual identity. Okay, so once the images are inserted, you need to make an overlap the picture shapes with the original shapes, and then you send the picture shapes to the back. So this helps create a layered design that looks cleaner and more professional. Okay, so next, add details to each shape. So for example, you can add text such as a short description, title, or a label that explains what each section represents. After adding the text, you need to select the text and the shape together and group them. Grouping makes it easier to move and manage the objects as one element. Okay, so now the first slide is ready. You need to duplicate the first slide 3 times, so you have 4 slides in total. On the second slide, create a small sneak peek effect. Slightly adjust the position or size of the shape so the slide looks a little different from the first one. So this will later help create the smooth morph animation. Okay, so for the third slide and the remaining slides, simply adjust the layout according to the concept you want. For example, you can enlarge one shape while the others become smaller to highlight a specific section. Okay, so next, return to the first slide. Select the first shape, then go to the insert and choose action. After that, add a hyperlink that links the shape to the slide where its detailed content appears. Okay, so you need to repeat the same process for the other 2 shapes, linking each one to its corresponding slide. Okay, so finally, for the last step, you need to select all the slides, go to the Transition tab, and choose Morph Transition. This will create a smooth animation when moving between slides. And that's it. Now you have successfully interactive hyperlinks in PowerPoint using Morph Transition. This technique can make your presentations more engaging and visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps improve your PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.